In last class, you have understood about uppercase letters and lowercase letters. And you have understood why do we use 4-line book to write English, right? Have you understood that part, right? So in this class, I ask few questions to you, isn't it? We have letters in English as well as even in Kannada, right? Even in Kannada also, even in English also, we have letters, right? Okay, the group of letters, what do we say for it?
Alphabet. Alphabet.
Yes, why can't you say alphabets?
Alphabets.
You won't say, right? Why? We have only one alphabet. We have only ಒಂದು ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ even in English also we have only one alphabet as well as even in Kannada we have only ಒಂದು ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ. In English the letters of 26. Okay, letters of 26 we have only one mala, we call it alphabet. In Kannada we have 49 letters, isn't it? We call it as ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಭಾಷೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಲೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ, ಅದು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಮಾಲೆ. ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಬೆಟ್, ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ.